Joining me on the show tonight, Ajay Dhavle is the spokesperson of the BJP. We have Anuma Acharya representing the Congress. Abhilash Khandekar is senior journalist, author and conservationist. Chinmay Mishra is social activist. I am going to begin with you, Mr. Dhavle. The residents had reportedly complained about foul-smelling water for days before this tragedy. Why did the authorities not act?
Let's be clear that Mayaji, our government stance is on total transparency and unwavering accountability. We are not just answering to the public, we are also answering to the Honorable High Court with the facts and actions. The narrative of delayed action is factually incorrect. Within hours of the first report, the Chief Minister himself took charge in a move rarely seen in administration.
No, I'm not talking about that. Delayed action is when the residents were talking about foul-smelling water. Was any action taken then?
So technically, it is critical to understand the technical concept. The transition of Amrut 2.0 Yojana is a massive citywide structural overhaul. The pursued delay in Bhagirathpura pipeline was not matter of pending files, the necessary alignment with the larger Amrut framework to prevent financial misappropriation and to ensure long-term durability. We are not just patching the leak. The government is building world-class integrated water sewer line. But
all that world-class, Ajay ji, all these words of world-class planning has collapsed here. Let's, face the fact. Let's face the fact. Deaths are linked to contaminated water, and the government of Madhya Pradesh has to take moral responsibility. And it cannot be limited to lower level officers being suspended.
Yeah. Mariaji, the Chief Minister has already ordered a probe into why the technical transition period wasn't breached the better local monitoring. We can say that today, I can quote the Honorable Chief Minister's tweet. He can say that I have ordered a show cause notices to the Indore Municipal Commissioner and Additional Commissioner. The Additional Commissioner has been removed from Indore immediately and Superintendent
I have read all the tweets.
Has been yeah.
I have read all the tweets.
Yeah. While the as submitted in
which is becoming clear, that your administration, let's be clear, sir, is trying to downplay the scale of contamination. You're not accepting that something has horribly gone wrong in a city which was prided by you and your government as a showcase model. And here everything seems to be collapsing. I mean, we are looking at 2026, we have entered 2026 and we are struggling with what is so basic as water supply. And what is coming up right now is your government coming up with big plans. Nothing seems to be playing out on the ground. Let me bring in Piyush now. Piyush is on ground in Indore. Piyush, what are you seeing? आप क्या-क्या देख रहे हैं वहाँ पे? Give me a sense, because here are BJP spokespersons coming up with all kinds of excuses, I would say. They are trying to downplay what has happened and the extent of contamination. Can you put number to this tragedy now?
Well, there's a confusion on the numbers also, Maria, because mayor says something else, councillor says something else, then we have DM who says something else. Kailash Vijayvargiya is confused, but the official number which the latest we were told by the DM was that around 10 people have lost their lives. So there's a confusion in this regard also. And we would like to certainly tell to our BJP friends that none of their excuse is going to work today. Why? Because people are suffering here in Indore. We have been to various places in Indore where water is contaminated. And why it is getting contaminated? Because the untreated sewage water is entering into the residences of people here, and the water is contaminating the stored drinking water tank. So this certainly telling us that there was no proper planning, there was no proper infrastructure which was laid down, and when the water has entered in the houses of residents, the untreated sewage water, contaminated water has entered in their residences. Despite that, no actions have been taken. Remember, Maria, that for the last many days, we are showing the ground reality to the people, and also government must be acknowledging what we are showing. Despite people losing their life and media exposing the harsh reality here in Indore, no action seems to be taken, on the ground.
So, multiple figures being quoted, but the real picture is not being shared with the people of India is becoming clear. So, Chinmay, as someone who is there in Indore, what are residents telling you? What are residents telling you? Okay, so perhaps Abhilash, you can answer that question. Okay. Chinmay Mishra, this is a question
जी
to you.
जी
What are
हाँ हाँ
residents
मैं
telling you? When did they
रेसिडेंट्स
start noticing contaminated water, and what has been the response of administration since then?
जो यहाँ के रहने वाले लोकल लोग हैं, जो रहवासी हैं, उनका कहना था वो पिछले 3-4 महीने से लगातार इसकी कंप्लेंट कर रहे हैं। जो लोकल काउंसलर है उससे भी उन्होंने कंप्लेंट किया था, रिटर्न कंप्लेंट भी करी। जो सीएम का 311 ऐप है, उस ऐप पर भी उन्होंने कंप्लेंट करा, पर कहीं कोई उनकी सुनवाई नहीं है। नोबडी हर्ड अबाउट देम, और वो लोग उसी तरीके से चलते रहे। ये उनकी प्रॉब्लम है, और ये प्रॉब्लम करीब इंदौर के 25 से 30% इलाका जो है उसमें प्रिवेल कर रही है। ऐसा नहीं है
So
कि
you are
केवल एक
saying that
जगह यहाँ
this is perhaps the tip of the iceberg. There'll be more
या
problem, more collapse. It is visibly the collapse of the civic infrastructure in Indore.
हाँ, दिस इज बेसिकली ये एक किस्म का अर्ली साइन है। अगर अभी अभी हम लोग संभल जाते हैं, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन संभल जाता है और इसको करता है, तो कोई एक पॉसिबिलिटी बन सकती है। और ये बहुत उस तरीके का, बहुत हम इसको कहें कि बहुत संवेदनशील या इमोशनल मसला नहीं है। ये बहुत डेलिकेट मसला है, और ये एक तरीके से पूरा डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम जो है उसका फेल्यूर है। जहां मिनिस्टर हमसे ये कह रहे हैं और मेयर ये कह रहे हैं कि जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है वो उनकी नहीं सुनता है, तो अगर इलेक्टेड बॉडीज की नहीं सुन रहे हैं, तो ये एक किस्म से डेमोक्रेटिक फेल्यूर है। और ये बहुत डेंजरस है किसी भी सिटी के लिए और किसी भी कंट्री के लिए, कि सबसे
Okay.
पावरफुल व्यक्ति जो शहर जी
Mr. Davle, the mayor doesn't give the right picture. The DM is quoting another set of numbers. The MLA of this area is quoting another set of numbers, that is Mr. Kailash Vijayvargiya. Who should we believe? What is the right picture here then?
Maria, let's see the government before the Honorable High Court on affidavits said the figure and said the number. Actually, we have already admitted that there is a systematic failure, and specifically illegal construction over the pipeline. We have already admitted that this structure has dismantled. This is the government that leads from the front and acts with the speed of emergency, and it's committed to ensuring
Okay,
the
all that are promises. You have accepted that there is a failure. So, Anuma Acharya, here is the BJP government accepting that there has been a total collapse. But what is a bigger concern here is what has been highlighted by Chinmay, who's a social activist in Indore, that this perhaps could be an early sign. Close to 25 to 30% of the city is facing a problem where the sewage water, untreated sewage water, is mixing with the groundwater or the water which is being used for drinking and for cooking.
Good evening,
The
Maria.
situation is far more grave than we are seeing right now.
Good evening, Maria. Actually, I come from Madhya Pradesh, and Indore is my maternal grandmother. She used to live. So this all concerns me a lot. Basically, two major outbreaks in 18 months, and the second one has now caught media's attention. The first one happened, Purush Dham tragedy, that happened in June and August 2024. And why it had happened? Because that ashram, which had orphan children, it used to use the borewell contaminated by nearby toilets. So that was the negligence. And that happened, those children were because orphan children, BJP government is all for rich and powerful and upper class people. So they don't mind. Anything happens, there is no accountability is being fixed. As you already said, that small officers, younger officers, junior officers are being, fixed. But actual the problem is, this is the same city wherein in last year in MY hospital, two small babies were bitten by wild rats and they died. And that also happened second time in 2021. That had happened once before also. This government never they are not, they don't get any indication from anything. The problem here is that minister is ruthless. They lack sensitivity, and time and again, 8 times the city has been awarded with the cleanest city of India. Basically, this was
And that's the irony. That is really the irony.
No,
We are the
no, I
cleanest
must-
city, cleanest
Maria.
city, Mr. Abhilash Khandekar. Since you have
Maria.
studied Indore's
Let me
civic
finish.
governance closely, what does this crisis really reveal about the gap between image management, because clearly that was the case, and ground reality?
I suppose, Myra, this is clear-cut failure of the governance system because Madhya Pradesh has been under BJP government for last 20 years. Kailash Vijayvargiya, who is today the urban development minister, he was the mayor of Indore about 20 years ago. He controls Indore city like anything. I must take your audience back into about 100 years ago when we keep calling the English or British people anti-colonial issue, but the Indore city was designed in 1916 by a Scottish urban planner called Sir Patrick Geddes, and he had taken steps in those days for cleanliness of Indore. And today in 2026, what we are seeing is that when the Prime Minister is talking of Jal Jeevan Mission, we are not able to provide clean drinking water in a city which is very happening city and very fast growing in central India. And Kailash Vijayvargiya, who is being seen on the screen, he has been a minister of PWD, he has been minister of energy, he has been minister of industries, and he has been
Multiple
a very
portfolios.
towering figure. Towering
Multiple portfolio.
figure.
And in fact,
Multiple failures.
yes, Abhilash Khandekar, in fact, our reporter tried to speak to the minister, listen in to what he had to say, because Kailash Vijayvargiya has dodged all accountability over the deaths which have happened in Indore. He is a serving minister in Mohan Yadav's Council of Ministers. And let's not forget that people are dying because of this bad quality water. It's a poisonous water. And Kailash Vijayvargiya says, Kal batayenge. Let's listen into that. And then I'm going to come back to all of you.
मंत्री मध्य प्रदेश सरकार में कैलाश विजयवर्गीय। कैलाश जी, आज तक उन घरों में गया है जहां पर हमने देखा है कि लोगों के सीवेज का पानी जो है वो घुस रहा है। क्या कहेंगे उन लोगों को जिनके घर में सीवेज का पानी जा रहा है?
कल बताएंगे आपको।
लेकिन सर, आप एक मिनट, आप चुप्पी तो नहीं साध सकते ना सर। लोगों की मौतें हो रही है, आप चुप्पी साधे हुए हैं, आप चुप्पी नहीं साध सकते सर। सवाल का जवाब क्योंकि इसलिए हम पूछ रहे हैं, ये सवाल उन लोगों के हैं जो लोग परेशान हैं। कैलाश जी, उनके घर में नाले का पानी जा रहा है, वो पानी पीने के लिए वो विवश है, लोगों की मौतें हो रही हैं। 3-4 साल से वो ये लोग जो है ये सवाल उठाते रहे और आप अब चुप्पी साधे हुए हैं। सर, इस चुप्पी का कोई ये चुप्पी तो नहीं होनी चाहिए। आप कह रहे हैं कल बताएंगे, कल तक लोग आपका इंतजार करेंगे। तो लोग लगातार बीमार पड़ रहे हैं। कैलाश जी, ये देखिए, कैलाश विजयवर्गीय जो मंत्री हैं मध्य प्रदेश सरकार में, चुप्पी साध कर यहाँ से चले गए।
So here is Kailash Vijayvargiya, who was mayor of Indore just 20 years ago and right now is a minister, is also an MLA of this particular constituency, and he says, Kal batayenge, when that question is asked repeatedly by Piyush, who is our correspondent right now on ground in Indore covering this really heartbreaking story. These are homes in which the drinking water is actually contaminated to such an extent that nobody seems to be accountable at all. And the minister is saying, Kal batayenge. Can that be a response here, Chinmay Mishra? Can those who have lost their lives, their loved ones be told, Kal batayenge?
नहीं, ये तो कोई रिस्पांस हो नहीं सकता और ये एक किस्म से उनकी हेल्पलेसनेस को सामने दिखा रहा है और जो गवर्नमेंट है उसकी हेल्पलेसनेस को आपके सामने दिखा रहा है। एक असहायता है और एक शर्म भी है जो कुछ वो कर रहे हैं। प्रॉब्लम ये है कि वो अनऑथराइज्ड कंस्ट्रक्शन जो पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट में हुआ, जिसकी वजह से ये कंटामिनेशन हुआ, उसके ऊपर कोई एक्शन नहीं हो रहा है। जो अधिकारी यहाँ 10-10 साल से बैठे हुए हैं, जो ऑफिसर्स बैठे हैं, जो रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं, उन पर एक पर भी एक्शन नहीं हुए। जूनियर ऑफिसर्स पर एक्शन से क्या फायदा होगा? मेयर की ये प्रॉब्लम है कि मेयर मीटिंग बुलाते हैं, 3-3 घंटे बैठे रहते हैं, ऑफिसर्स नहीं आते। और उसके बावजूद अगर इस जो पर्टिकुलर प्लेस है, इसका टेंडर 1.5 साल पहले फाइनल हो चुका है। 18 मंथ्स बैक इट वाज फाइनल। अभी तक वो रिलीज नहीं हुआ है। अभी 3 रोज पहले जब ये सारा हुआ, उसके बाद वो टेंडर को शो करेंगे, मार्केट में देंगे। 1.5 साल से उसका टेंडर नहीं है। कल उस एडिशनल कमिश्नर को आज उन्होंने सवेरे से हटाया है। तो ये पूरी प्रॉब्लम जो चल रही है, ये दरअसल कोई एक दिन में होने वाली प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
जी,
ये प्रॉब्लम जो है, ये पूरी तरह से एक सिस्टम के फेल्योर की निशानी है। और
absolutely.
उससे बड़ी बात
I'm
ये है
going to
कि
play
ये
that question that was asked by Piyush again, and then I'll bring in others. And I want to understand from you, Abhilash Khandekar in particular, about
Yeah.
the fact that there is someone who has to take moral responsibility. Accountability has to be fixed. And the buck stops here with whom?
Indeed, the accountability has to be, fixed. And if we start from the top, I must tell your audience that the Chief Minister, Dr. Mohan Yadav, is in charge of Indore district for the last 2 years. And if we start it from the bottoms up approach, then the mayor, who is in the office for another 3 years or 2 years. So either the mayor has to take responsibility, the urban development minister, he is from Indore, he is a very senior cabinet minister, and the chief minister, the responsibility has to be fixed politically. There is no point in, of course, there are issues about the bureaucracy, but fact remains that the municipal corporation has been under BJP's regime for last 20-25 years, and nobody has been able to, and this is a slap in the face of the cleanest city of the country. So what kind of cleanliness they are showing? People are dying here, and nobody is resigning because it is BJP which doesn't ask for any resignations. The mayor is under scanner. The urban development minister is under doubt, and the chief minister is just not speaking anything about Indore. And like wing commander said that only last year people, young kids and infants died because of the rat biting in a government hospital. So what is happening to Indore, which was ruled by Devi Ahilyabai once upon a time, was known for good governance.
Okay, I'm going to play that, attempt at asking questions to Kailash Vijayvargiya again, and then I'll bring in Piyush.
He has been snubbed by the BJP High Command now because
में कैलाश विजयवर्गीय। कैलाश जी, आज तक उन घरों में गया है जहां पर हमने देखा है कि लोगों के सीवेज का पानी जो है वो घुस रहा है। क्या कहेंगे उन लोगों को जिनके घर में सीवेज का पानी है?
कल बताएंगे आपको।
लेकिन सर, आप एक मिनट, आप चुप्पी तो नहीं साध सकते ना सर। लोगों की मौतें हो रही है, आप चुप्पी साधे हुए हैं, आप चुप्पी नहीं साध सकते। सर, सवाल का जवाब क्योंकि इसलिए हम पूछ रहे हैं, ये सवाल उन लोगों के हैं जो लोग परेशान हैं। कैलाश जी, उनके घर में नाले का पानी जा रहा है, वो पानी पीने के लिए वो विवश है, लोगों की मौतें हो रही हैं। 3-4 साल से वो ये लोग जो है ये सवाल उठाते रहे और आप अब चुप्पी साधे हुए हैं। सर, इस चुप्पी का कोई ये चुप्पी तो नहीं होनी चाहिए। आप कह रहे हैं कल बताएंगे, कल तक लोग आपका इंतजार करेंगे। तो लोग लगातार बीमार पड़ रहे हैं। कैलाश जी, ये देखिए, कैलाश विजयवर्गीय जो मंत्री हैं मध्य प्रदेश सरकार में, चुप्पी साध कर यहाँ से चले गए।
And I'm going to go to Piyush, who tried to speak to Kailash Vijayvargiya. Of course, he had no answer, and the only answer that he gave was "Kal batayenge." Piyush?
Well, certainly, Maria, we tried multiple times to ask questions from Kailash Vijayvargiya, but he kept on saying, "Hum kal batayenge." But he's the same leader who at once went to their houses, the victims' houses, and sought their votes. He's the same leader who was, also roaming around in the same lanes, the same streets when he had to become the MLA of this constituency. But today, when the same voters of Indore constituency are agitated, are frustrated, they do not have proper drinking water facilities in their houses. To them, Kailash Vijayvargiya says, "Hum kal batayenge." The point here is that when will this kal come? When will the answers come from the government? Because people are seeking answers from the government, and this shows the complete failure of the entire administration. You would remember, Maria, that the government was saying that they have taken all these steps to ensure proper facilities of water. But when we went there in the houses of people of Indore, we saw how the sewage, untreated sewage water was entering in the houses of people, and that was contaminating the water. People were telling us that once Kailash Vijayvargiya, when visited the locality, he himself did not drink that water. He just touched the water and he did not consume that water. So when Kailash Vijayvargiya could not consume that water, then how could he imagine that people of this constituency will have this water? And there are multiple questions to which not only Kailash Vijayvargiya but the various representatives of this entire constituency will have to answer. But when questions were posed to Kailash Vijayvargiya, he kept on saying, "Hum kal batayenge." It remains to be seen when will this kal comes.
So there is no kal when it is for those families who have lost their loved ones. Remember, 10 are dead and nearly 200 people have been hospitalized. And the answer which has come from the minister is kal batayenge. This is a clear example of the minister dodging his responsibility, not taking accountability. When will that be fixed is the larger question. Yes, please go ahead, Anumacharya.
I just wanted to say that the tender to fix these pipelines was issued in August 2025. But until people died, nobody bothered about it. There is an accountability gap. Suspensions are eyewash. Lower level engineers are scapegoats. While the senior leadership is just enjoying whatever they are doing. So now government is giving compensation, which is just 2 lakh rupees. I mean, it is criminal. And they have always ignored the red flags. I mean, residents said about foul smelling, you already said, black water for over a week before the deaths began. So again and again, and I must tell you today, because earlier if I would have said, people wouldn't have bothered. But this Indore, the cleanest city, was only an experiment. It was a political experiment. Better cities like Nagpur, better cities like Coimbatore, they all are here in India. But because Madhya Pradesh matters, because Indore matters, and the politics of RSS starts from these places, so therefore they have always again and again declared Indore as the cleanmost city. And
This was
actually,
more like a sham. Ajay Dhawale, this was more like a sham of a cleanest city tag when it is really not.
it was not.
Maria, while the opposition is
ये क्लीनेस्ट सिटी है.
yeah,
सरफेस के नीचे क्या है ये एक अलग बात है, पर इंदौर एक क्लीन सिटी.
Maria,
Yes.
yeah, the opposition is busy counting cameras and playing politics with the pain. Our chief minister is on the ground. He have been instructed the administration for the to ensure that every household gets clean water and every patient gets.
Could it have been prevented? Let me ask that direct question now. To Abhilash Khandekar, could this have been avoided and prevented? Could those 10 lives have been saved?
Could have been really avoided if the work culture had been put in place. And why I am saying repeatedly is because there is no way that BJP can save its face. They have been in power. There have been MPs and MLAs and mayors and ministers from Indore city. So there cannot be. So if the minister says that there is no coordination between the ministers and the officers of the municipal corporation, this is a lame excuse. And therefore, I have been repeatedly saying this is a governance issue. And if the government had properly assessed the situation, not only about this contamination of water, but overall governance of municipal corporation, things could have been avoided.
What is becoming clear here is, Ajay Dhawale, that this is an attempt to underplay the damage now, which has been caused.
We are not playing.
And,
We are not underplaying.
you know, beyond temporary arrests or inquiries, you have to go beyond what has gone wrong. You know, there are corrective actions which needs to be taken here, and that's what I'm asking. When will that be taken?
We don't just offer condolences. We offer accountability. We don't just fix the pipe. We are overhauling the entire system. Our commitment is simple. We will not rest until the legacy of infrastructure issues of 50 years and replace the system to guarantee the safety of every citizen. The people of Indore deserve the truth and they deserve the action under the.
Yes, all that's a great answer, and you know that's a great answer. But Chinmay Mishra, I have just enough time for you. The local governance has collapsed, and this is visibly a public health crisis of national relevance, and that is the reason why the spotlight on it has to be there.
डेफिनेटली ये पूरा सिस्टम कोलैप्स हो गया है। स्मार्ट सिटी अभी बना, स्मार्ट सिटी पूरी सड़कें बन गई, उसमें ड्रेनेज लाइन नहीं डली थी। जहां भी सड़कें बन रही हैं ड्रेनेज लाइंस नहीं डल रही हैं, और उससे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि जो लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट्स हैं 74 अमेंडमेंट के अंडर, 73 थे 74th अमेंडमेंट में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में, उनके पास कोई पावर नहीं है, तो दे आर यूजलेस। अगर वो कमिश्नर के सामने हेल्पलेस है, म्युनिसिपल कमिश्नर के सामने, तो दे आर यूजलेस। हम लोगों का पैसा उस पर फालतू खर्चा हो रहा है, मेयर पर और पार्षदों पर और काउंसलर्स पर। सवाल इस बात का है कि जो कमेटी बनाई गई है उसमें जो म्युनिसिपल कमिश्नर है उससे लोअर लेवल का जो ऑफिसर है वो व्यक्ति उस कमेटी का इंचार्ज है, कमिश्नर को रिप्लेस नहीं किया गया। तो हम किस तरीके के जो है वो रिजल्ट का उससे मानेंगे कि लोअर लेवल का ऑफिसर क्या अपने से ऊपर के लेवल के ऑफिसर की जांच करेगा? जो 10-10 साल से यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं, जिनको एक-एक सेंटीमीटर, और आजकल हम लोग और सबसे चीजों को देख रहे हैं, उनको समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि लाइंस कहाँ पर लीक हो रही है। 1 साल 1.5 साल से लोग कंप्लेंट कर रहे हैं। आज के अगर आप लोकल अखबार देखेंगे, कम से कम 20-20 जगह लोग अपना, और पानी यहाँ लोग अब पीकर नहीं देख रहे हैं, पहले सूंघ रहे हैं पानी को, दे स्मेल इट, उसके बाद पानी पीने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। अगर शहर 30 लाख 35 लाख का, मध्य प्रदेश का सबसे बड़ा शहर, सबसे प्रॉस्परस शहर, सबसे ज्यादा रेवेन्यू देने वाला शहर, सबसे साफ दिखने वाला शहर, जो अगर उसकी ये स्थिति आज हो गई है, तो आप सोचिए ये स्थिति एक दिन में नहीं होती है। इसमें इतना बिगड़ने में उसको ईयर्स टुगेदर लगते हैं, और पिछले 15 सालों से कोई इस तरीके को नहीं देगा। एक सुपरफिशियल है, आप सड़कें बना रहे हैं, मकान लोगों के तोड़ रहे हैं, रिहेबिलिटेट नहीं कर रहे हैं, इसके अलावा कोई काम किसी भी शहर में नहीं हो रहा है।
All right, Mr. Dhawale, really appreciate your time. Chinmay Mishra, Abhilash Khandekar, and Wing Commander Anuma Acharya.